YouTube. I am finally back with another video. And right now, I'm going to can't find the right angle. Right now I'm going to show you about in the backyard there's a nest, a bird nest. And I'm going to show you the bird nest. I wonder if the bird is still there when I get... Oh, okay. I have to do something for my mom. Let's go see. Whew, I'm ready to open the door. I want to see if that bird is still in there. Don't scare it away. Don't scare it. If it's in there, the bird. Oh! Alright, the bird, it flew. Alright, the eggs flew over there somewhere. Well, hopefully it's focusing. Is it focusing? It flew somewhere in the trees. Alright, now I can see the eggs. Wait. Hopefully it don't come back attacking me. Alright, hopefully y'all can see the egg. Oh my God, I'm scared. Let's see, so I can see the egg. So y'all can see the eggs. Oh, that's coming after me. I hear it. Doing that on it. The eggs. Look at him. You can see him? Hopefully you guys can see him. I hope you guys can see him. It is it's 5 eggs. We push on grass back on top. So the bird can hide. Bird can hide. I'm fixing it. Alright, that's what I want to show you guys. Okay, I'm back in. Had a good thing I didn't get attacked. If I would have got attacked, it was definitely going on YouTube. It was definitely going on. Okay. Alright. I've been told you guys that I was going to make another video, but I forgot. Right now, so I'm gonna do YouTubers that I want you guys to subscribe to. I will. 1 second. It's George. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys what YouTubers I want you guys to subscribe to. But first subscribe to me. Alright. Amazing Top 10. This tough shit. Alright, most amazing Top 10. That I want you guys to subscribe to those. And I'm gonna go to my home page. Home, I'm gonna tell everyone I want you guys to subscribe to. Home page. Let me see. That's most amazing. River Gigs. River like the Mississippi River. River Gigs. Gibbs. He talks about Michael Jackson dancing moves. Alright, then I have continue on. No, it's not. Never mind. Funny Me Now. It's funny, no space, me, no space, now. Alright, then I'll have reaction time. The Dobre brothers. Lucas and Marcus. Oh, Dobre brothers is spelled D-O-B-R-E and brothers. No. Azzyland. AZZYLAND. Mind Warehouse. Mind hashtag MIND Warehouse. WARE house. Gosh, so many. Name Matt Smith. Who else? SS Sniper Wolf. And T Pindell. TPINDELL. You got to subscribe to him. And thank you. And hopefully you guys can subscribe to them and pick up their subscriber count. And hopefully they shout me out. Deuce.